Hey guys, you might be wondering why I have this cute little succulent garden in front of me, and that's because one of the pup leaves fell off, and I'm going to show you today how to plant one and propagate your own succulent. So I noticed one of my plant pups fell off the other day, and when I picked it up, because I thought it had just died, I noticed that little roots were coming out of the end of it. So it had propagated itself without me having to even put it in water. This makes it really easy to just plant in the pot and see if it grows. That's what I'm going to show you today. I'm bringing you a little closer so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. So this is the succulent pup, and as you can see on it, it's got the roots growing towards the end here. And so what I'm going to do is just plant this directly into the dirt. So I'm just going to carve out a little space. Plant it. And you want it to have enough soil around it to keep it steady and secure in place. And so I usually just pat down the soil around it. That's how easy it is. So that's literally as simple as it gets, y'all. And I just wanted to share this quick tutorial about how to do it because oftentimes succulents will shed their leaves, and sometimes you can grow roots from them and create a brand new succulent without having to go buy one or get another. You can actually create your own at home using the leaves. So hope this helps, and happy planting.